Yes, you can follow people and pages as a LinkedIn member. But did you know that you can also follow pages as a company page or a LinkedIn page? Let me show you how you do this, and I'm going to show you how it works. And then you can make a determination if it's beneficial for you as a super admin or an admin to follow pages from your LinkedIn page. Here's how you do it. First of all, you go to the page you want to work on, and we'll go to Burriss Consulting. This is the page I'm going to use to follow other pages. Now, sometimes it shows up right here under today's actions. It's not showing up there for me today. So what you have to do is you have to come over here to settings. Under settings, manage following. See all the pages your page follows. Click on that. And now I can add more pages. I'm following 8 pages. These 8 pages I'm following. I can unfollow them if I want to by clicking on that, and it goes away. The Burriss Group, I can undo that. I can undo United Way. But I can go find more pages to follow. I can go up here and I can type in, if I want to, Growler. And learn how to spell it right. Friend of mine's page. Here he is right here, Growler Manufacturing. And I'm following that page now. Let me go get another page. Let me get Purge X. Here they are right there. So now I'm following those pages. Now, interestingly, this shows up in my list because I unfollowed them, but I could redo that. But at that point, I've added my new ones. I'm up to 8, and I can hit done. So now I'm following 8 LinkedIn pages from my company page. Now, how does this work? What's the benefit of this? So first of all, it's tedious. It really is, because it doesn't feed it to you as easily as I would like, but I'll show you how you can bookmark a page to make it easy for you to get to this content. So go to Dashboard, and under Dashboard, scroll down here to Join Conversations. Here's Dale Carnegie, here's the Burriss Group, just keep scrolling, there's Global, there's a bunch of content that I can pay attention to. Now, I can also go down here to Show Feed. And when you click on Show Feed, look at this page that comes up. My company page number, admin feed following. Now, if I want to get to this quickly and easily, I would bookmark it so I can get to it very easily. Generally, I would put it on my bookmark home bar. Now, I'm in this page. Now I have the ability to do 2 things. Number 1, pay attention. It's called social listening. Number 2, I can do social engagement. I can participate in the conversation as the company, as my page. I can also switch that and engage as Teddy. But I have the ability not only to do social listening, but I have the ability to do social engagement. Now, what's the benefit of this? The benefit is for you to stay aware of what's going on in your industry, around your associations, in regards to your clients, your prospects, your peer organizations, your competitors. But it also gives you the ability, when you participate, not with the like button, but more with the comment or repost with thoughts, it lets you become a part of the conversation. So, following pages as a LinkedIn page could be beneficial for social listening purposes, could also be a benefit for social engagement, so that A, you can stay aware, and B, you can become a part of the conversations. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist. I hope this is helpful for you.